Empties for Feb 2020. Last month I finished 11 beauty products, which leaves me with 109 to get through for the rest of this year to meet my target of 120 beauty products to be used up in 2020. So let's see how I've done in February. Those of you who are participating in the Project Plan Challenge, feel free to link up your Instagram post or tag me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. Share your photograph on my Facebook comments. Link up here in the comments below. I don't mind links on these posts as long as they're Empties posts. Feel free, and or just tell me how much you used up if you're not comfortable showing me what you used up. Right, let's put it into Nastasia. So off we go. Makeup first. 2 makeup products. Chica y Chico 1 Kill Liquid Liner. Came in a wish ring box back in, I don't know, the dark ages. One of the worst eyeliners I've had the misfortune of using. Very little pigmentation and dried up incredibly quickly. I suppose, you know, K-Beauty doesn't have very jet black eyeliners and smoky looks, you know. I think it's a lot softer, so maybe that's why, I don't know. Anyway, I wasn't comfortable using this. Will not be repurchasing. Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara. Overhyped, I'm afraid. I didn't have any advantage from this. Made my peach fuzz eyelashes look even peach fuzzier. Right, I know that's not good vocabulary, but it suits. Clarins Instant Light Lip Comfort Oil. All gone. Lovely smell. This one was a red berry. I absolutely adore the Clarins lip oils, but not their price points. So I have been trying to move to Korean lip oils. The quality isn't exactly as comforting, as amazing, as lip healing, as, you know, anti-flaking, as beautiful in winter and dry weather as the Clarins, but you know, they're not too bad. So I'll be doing a post on those. I'll talk more about Korean lip oils another time. Right, I've just gone and dropped something. Now we come to skincare. Huda Beauty Makeup Remover Balm. All gone. I absolutely loved this. It's a Japanese made cleansing balm. Very, very, very emulsifying. Absolutely no residue. Takes away everything. So Emma Hardy or this one? Emma Hardy is thicker, heavier. This one's lighter. That's a big difference. I also feel that this one didn't really have a fragrance. Emma Hardy has a bit of a fragrance to it. So Huda has been coming out with skincare recently and faffing about with enzyme scrubs and shit like that. She should just, you know, produce a large pot of this stuff instead. Right. Next we come to serum and essence. Lee J. Ham Tea Tree Essence. I saved these because those buggers decided to stop production. So I saved these, and finally they've resumed production in different packaging. So I bought 2 of those and finally finished this one up. Very nice, beautiful, acne friendly, alright, not acne friendly, acne prone, skin friendly essence, tea tree obviously, and very comforting. I like wearing this in the mornings, using this in lieu of serum a lot of the time. The next thing, Pixie Vitamin C Serum. This is a PR sample. I don't know if you can tell, right, I've been swatching stuff. I don't know if you can tell, but it has oxidized a bit. For the major part though, it did hold out. It was a really nice vitamin C, but I feel that there are other vitamin C's that are equally nice or even nicer that brighten hyperpigmentation, that help fade hyperpigmentation faster. There are vitamin C serums that don't oxidize as much, that are, and you know, where they declare the percentage of vitamin C inside. Pixie has not told us the percentage of vitamin C in here, so I have absolutely no idea how effective this is. Also, a PR sample that came along with the same thing is the Pixie Vitamin C Lotion. This one I really, really liked. It was very non-greasy and very hydrating. A nice, you know, all-over-face lotion that went on top of serum. And I feel that this was actually more brightening than this one. Brightening and hydrating. Nice. So I will be repurchasing this, but not this. Moving on to Bath & Body. 1 foot cream and 1 hand cream. This is Academy Clinican Pure Hand Cream from the Skin City Advent Calendar, which I really, really liked. I've discovered so many products from that Advent Calendar. This one was a very decent hand cream that kept my hands decent during the dry weather. So far, no reptilianism or anything, but yeah, there are other creams that are as good. I think this one reminded me, one way or the other, of the Soap and Glory hand food in the tube packaging before they went in for the pump bottle. That one's a bit runnier, this one wasn't runny at all. Foot cream, Tony Moly Moisture Cream, shiny foot. Wasn't a fan at all. I feel that this was quite greasy, and I mean not greasy as in it was more wet. Right, that's the word I'm looking for. It was a lot wetter than the kind of foot creams that I like. Soap and Glory Heel Genius, for instance, not wet at all. This one wet after application, you know. So you get your sheets wet for a while. Right, that could easily be misinterpreted. I assure you, I haven't wetted my sheets in a long, long, long time. Too much information. Anyway, I'll stop talking about these things and, move on, yeah? Balance Me Super Toning Body Polish came in some advent calendar or the other. I don't like Balance Me products because they're cloyingly full of essential oils and break me out, irritate my system, cause migraines, irritate my nose, cause respiratory problems, cause a lot of problems. So I don't like Balance Me because of the overkill use of essential oils, and it took me a long time to get that, to understand this. So maybe there will be a blog post back from 2015 or something, or a video back in 2017 or something. I'm saying, oh, good, Balance Me serum. No, once I started using it, took me a long time to realize that essential oils and my body weren't friends. Soap, not body wash. Chorus, pure Greek olive soap. Empty. So I've been moving to bar soap because of, this paper packet is the wastage that you have from finishing up a whole soap bar, which lasts longer. On the other hand, a shower gel, a body wash, you finish it and you've got that plastic packaging to throw away. And for some reason, I, use a lot more body wash than I do soap. So yeah, we'll be repurchasing from other brands. L'Occitane soaps is so good. So L'Occitane is my current favorite soap brand. We'll be repurchasing this one. It came in a Look Fantastic beauty box. Body lotion sample, bigger than my nose. Peter Thomas Roth Mega Rich Body Lotion. Mega Nothing Body Lotion. I call it into the least bit of thing for me. I mean, maybe my skin is used to the Brazilian Boo Boo cream or, thicker formulations like that, but this one, appalling. My skin felt dry, particularly my knees and elbows and legs and so on, dry in the night. This wasn't enough for me. It wasn't hydrating enough at all. Shampoo and conditioner, wonder of wonders, I actually managed to finish both at the same time. Samples, bigger than my nose. Evolve Ultra Shine Moisture Shampoo and Conditioner. Gluten-free, hurrah. So, what did I think of them? Average, very average. I wouldn't say they were fantastic at all. The shampoo is sulfate-free, alright, so is the conditioner. Both are sulfate-free, gluten-free and vegan. That was the part that I liked, but there wasn't anything really special about them. I like co-washing. I don't buy shampoo. Don't go out of my way to buy shampoo. If it's part of a set, or comes in an advent calendar, beauty box, gift with purchase or something, then I use up the shampoo. Otherwise, I don't buy shampoo. I prefer co-washing with conditioner only washing, or conditioning cream, or cleansing conditioner, or whatever. So I won't be repurchasing the shampoo. The conditioner was better, but it wasn't good enough for co-washing, so I won't be buying that one either. So 14 products finished up in February. I'm quite pleased about that one, which leaves me with 95 products to use up in 10 months, which means I need to use up 9.5 products per month. So let's see how I do in March and if I will hit my target of 120 beauty products. Yes, stay tuned to find out. And do tell me what you've used up this month, and if you are on a Project Plan challenge, I'd love for you to join, and let's put a dent in our stashes, yeah? So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up, please do hit the subscribe button, please do ring the notifications bell, and I'll speak to you soon.